So the next one is just a little bit of a challenge, just for you to have a play with, but you're going to do a curl up with the single knee fold. So Paul's going to just check his neutral pelvis, lock your fingers together, hands behind your head, elbows where you can see them. You want to try and do this together, but if you find that you keep falling off, then you can either lift the head and then the leg, or leg and then the head. So take a breath in, and as you exhale and you start to send your sternum down and bring yourself into curl up, left knee comes up, right, whichever, hold it there. Make sure that you're not pushing too much in that leg. Inhale, head comes down, leg comes down, and then you switch side. So exhale. So again, push the sternum in, hold it there, inhale, exhale as you come down. So you might find one side is a lot more wobblier than the other side, which could be because the feet aren't the same distance from the roller, or just one side is weaker than the other side. And if you find that the one side is more wobbly, then you can do more on the wobblier side. So that's just a nice little challenge for you to have a play with. That is a curl up with a